Bay windows are a beautiful upgrade that can transform the look and feel of a home. With their angled design and expansive glass, they bring in more natural light, create extra interior space, and enhance curb appeal. However, because bay windows are larger and more complex than standard windows, their performance depends heavily on proper installation. For Layton homeowners, choosing professional bay window installation is essential for ensuring comfort, durability, and long-term value. Here's how professional installation makes a meaningful difference for bay windows in Layton homes. Proper structural support protects your home. Bay windows extend outward from the home, making them heavier and more structurally demanding than flat windows. Without adequate support, they can sag over time or place stress on surrounding walls. Professional installers assess load-bearing requirements, install proper support systems, secure the window to the home's framing. This ensures the bay window remains stable and safe for years to come. Precise installation prevents air leaks and drafts due to their multiple panels and angles. Bay windows have more seams than standard windows. Poor installation can leave gaps that allow air to leak in or out. Professional installation ensures accurate measurements for a tight-fit, proper sealing around all joints, compression seals that reduce drafts. This helps Layton homeowners maintain consistent indoor temperatures throughout the year. Improved energy efficiency reduces utility costs. Bay windows offer a lot of glass area, which can impact energy efficiency if not installed correctly. Professionals use advanced techniques to maximize insulation and sealing. Energy-efficient installation includes insulated framing and spacers, high-performance sealants, correct alignment of insulated glass panels. These measures help keep homes warm during Layton's winters and cool during summer months. Enhanced weather resistance protects against the elements. Layton experiences wind, rain, and seasonal temperature changes. A poorly installed bay window can allow moisture intrusion that leads to long-term damage. Professional installers apply proper flashing to direct water away seal joints to prevent leaks. Ensure drainage systems function correctly. This protects both the window and the home's structure. Smooth operation and long-term durability. Bay windows often include operable sections, such as casement or double-hung windows. Proper installation ensures these components function smoothly. Benefits include easy opening and closing, reduced strain on hardware, longer lifespan for moving parts. Professional installation helps prevent issues like sticking, sagging, or misalignment. Enhanced curb appeal with a polished finish. A bay window is a focal point on the exterior of a home. Professional installation ensures clean lines and seamless integration with siding, trim, and roofing. This results in a balanced, attractive exterior, improved architectural detail, a high-end finished appearance. Well-installed bay windows elevate curb appeal in Layton neighborhoods. Increased interior comfort and usable space. Inside the home, professionally installed bay windows create a comfortable, usable area that feels integrated rather than awkward. Homeowners enjoy cozy seating or display spaces, better natural light distribution, improved room functionality. These benefits enhance everyday living. Protection of manufacturer warranties. Most bay window manufacturers require professional installation to maintain warranty coverage. Improper installation can void these protections. Professional installation meets manufacturer specifications, protects your investment, provides long-term peace of mind, confidence in long-term performance. Perhaps the most important benefit of professional bay window installation is confidence. Homeowners can trust that their window is installed correctly, safely, and efficiently. This means fewer future repairs, reliable performance through changing seasons, lasting value for the home. A smart investment for Layton homes. Bay windows are a stunning addition to any Layton home, but only when installed correctly. Professional bay window installation ensures structural integrity, energy efficiency, weather resistance, and long-term durability. For homeowners looking to enhance comfort, beauty, and value, investing in professional installation is the key to enjoying all the benefits bay windows have to offer for years to come.